You are all invited to join the Young Green Britain Challenge for 2023. Through the challenge, you will work together in a team, you will learn innovation and design skills, learn about sustainability, climate change, and your local environment. Your ideas will be heard, and you will collectively have the opportunity to make a difference. So, this is what we will be doing together. Let's dive into each of the steps. The first step is about exploring environmental issues and building teams to solve some of those issues. The choice of issues is yours. There will then be a day of timetable, a design sprint, which is a structured way of coming up with solutions. After the design sprint, you will work together in your teams to research and develop your solution before having the opportunity to pitch for investment, Dragon's Den style. 5 teams in each school will receive £100 and support to help you put your ideas into action and test whether they can work. And then one team from each school will get the opportunity to compete in the National Challenge in summer 2023 for 4 awards of £1,000 to invest in developing your solutions. Let's do this.